Many equations can be solved with simple algebra, but some belong to a special category: the transcendental ones. In this video, we'll tackle one such equation. Our equation is e power 2 minus 2 square root of x is equal to x. It looks scary, but don't worry, I will guide you through each step until we reach the solution. Take 2 as common in the power, and also x can be written as square root whole square. Take natural log both sides. Then we get a natural log of e power 2 into 1 minus square root x is equal to natural log of square root of x whole square. We know that natural log of e power r is equal to r, and natural log of r power m is equal to mln of r. Then we get as 2 into 1 minus square root x is equal to 2l of square root of x. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, then we get us 1 minus square root x is equal to ln of square root x. Apply base e on both sides. Then we get as e power 1 minus square root x is equal to e power ln of square root x. We know that ln e power r is equal to r. Then we get as e power 1 minus square root of x is equal to square root of x. Then we get as e power 1 minus square root of x. We can write it as e power 1 into e power minus square root of x. E power minus square root of x can be written as 1 by square root of x. Multiply e power square root of x on both sides. So then we get as e power square root of x into square root of x is equal to e power 1 into e power square root of x by e power square root of x. E power square root of x in numerator and e power of square root of in denominator will be cancelled out. Then we get as e power square root of x into square root of x is equal to e power 1 into 1. Now we have to apply the Lambert W function. Lambert W function is w of r e power r is equal to r. So now apply Lambert W function for this equation. W of square root of x into e power square root of x is equal to 1 into e power 1. Then we get as square root of x is equal to 1. Now square on both sides. Square and 2 will be cancelled out, then we get as x is equal to 1. So now we get the answer as x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.